So what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn lookup. Lookup function. Then we are going to see normal VLOOKUP. Okay. After that, we will see VLOOKUP from different sheet. VLOOKUP from different sheet. Then we are going to see VLOOKUP from workbook. VLOOKUP from different workbook. Then we are going to see copy VLOOKUP formula. Then we will see VLOOKUP multiple values. Then we will see VLOOKUP smallest value. Then we will see VLOOKUP largest value. Can you view this? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all these things today we are going to see. थोड़ा टफ है, आपको समझना पड़ेगा, समझ के लेना पड़ेगा. Okay. So first of all, we will see the lookup. So what is lookup? What is the meaning of lookup? Do you know that? Lookup का meaning क्या है? Lookup means सर्च करना कोई तो कुछ तो, correct? So if I have a big data with me, suppose this is my data, I have a data of student name and some subjects marks are there, math, science, physics and chemistry marks are there. Okay, suppose this data is of 200 student data I have. As an example, मैंने सिर्फ 31 student का लिया है. Suppose I have 200 student of data and I want some of the student data from this data. सर्च नहीं करना है, मुझे चाहिए इस टेबल में. So I am looking here, no, I am searching something. I am looking data for suppose Pandey Yash, then I am looking data for Raj Rutvik, like search. So how to look this data from this big data? यहाँ से मुझे यहाँ लेना है वो small size में data. So how to do that? We will see it in lookup and in VLOOKUP. Okay, there are some formulas and functions. First, we will see this lookup. Okay, so what is lookup? Now, suppose I want this Aude Shreyas maths marks here only. Only which subject marks? Maths mark. So what is a formula here? I will type a formula in this maths cell, maths column. Okay. So I'll click here. I will type here formula is equal to lookup. See here, जैसे ही मैंने L टाइप किया, lookup का नीचे फंक्शन आ रहा है. So how to take that function? Just press the tab key. पूरा टाइप करने की जरूरत नहीं. LOO टाइप किया तो भी उसको पता चला एक्सेल को कि लुकअप चाहिए हमें. So I'll press the tab. As soon as I press the tab, it gives me a formula in this pop-up menu. See, lookup value, comma, lookup vector, comma, in square bracket result vector. Okay. So lookup value क्या है? For whom we want to search the record. तो किसके लिए रिकॉर्ड सर्च कर रहे हैं अभी हम? For Avdesh Shreyas. Correct? So I will click on this cell. So this is my lookup value. H7 में मेरी lookup value है. I'll put the comma. जो फॉर्मूला में दिया है वही हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं. After lookup value there is a comma. I'll put the comma. Now he want a lookup vector. कहाँ से सर्च करना है? From this data. So I will go here and select the data till the end. Okay, data आ गया from B6 to F31. Okay, I'll put the comma. For which subject I want marks? For math subject. Correct? So I will select the data from maths column. यहाँ से उसको सर्च करना है. तो क्या क्या दिया हमने? पूरा डेटा भी दिया और कॉलम भी दिया उसको. ओके, कॉलम आ गया C31 and press the enter key. Something get wrong. We put the formula again. Is equal to lookup in bracket जो सर्च करना है वो कॉमा. I'll give the total full table जिससे सर्च करना है that table, then comma, then I will select the maths column. Okay, bracket complete, enter. अरे क्या हो रहा है? Here is error. Formula is correct. It's been wrong.
मॅडम हॅलो.
Yes. हाँ yes.
आपण ज्यावेळेस फॉर्म्युला सिलेक्ट करतो त्यावेळेस ती हेडर लाईन सिलेक्ट करायची गरज आहे का? स्टुडंट मॅथ
नाही करत ऍक्च्युअली. हेडर लाईन नाही केली तरी चालते आणि केली तरी चालते.
नाही, 2 वेळा तुम्ही केली म्हणून.
नाही ऍक्च्युअली नाही केली तरी चालते. आपला डेटा तेवढा आहे ना म्हणून मी ती केली होती.
ओके.
इवन इफ नाही केली तरी आपण बघूया. लेट्स ट्राय. एरर त्यामुळे नाही यायला हवी. Okay, maybe that because of that header line. Okay, header line मुळेच error येतो. Okay, so we got the value. Is it correct or not? We will check. Avdesh Shreyas has 55 marks in maths. Correct? Now, if I will put any other name instead of this Avdesh Shreyas, it will give you that students marks. Suppose I'll select this Dorle Aditya, Control C, and I'll put here Dorle Aditya. Then it will give the marks for Dorle Aditya, 88. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Like such. So lookup give you a single record only. Multiple record दे रहा है क्या lookup? No. If you will copy the formula here, it will give you a wrong. Correct? It is giving you a wrong answer. For physics, it is not giving the answer. If you copy the formula for down, it will give you the wrong answer. That's why lookup has a limitations. Lookup give you only a single vector or single value only. Multiple values के लिए lookup के पास formula नहीं है. It's giving you a single column value only. Correct? That's why as lookup has some disadvantages, there is a VLOOKUP. The V stand for vertical values. Means these column wise values. We are always took a column wise values like this student name. So student names are vertically, not the horizontal. They are in the column. They are put in vertical manner. That's why we use a VLOOKUP. There is a HLOOKUP also for horizontal values, but mostly we use a vertical values. I will teach you the HLOOKUP also. Right now we will see the VLOOKUP, that is vertical values. Okay. So how we can do a normal VLOOKUP? We will see it. Suppose I delete this formula for lookup. Now this VLOOKUP has some different formula. Check it carefully. Is equal to VLOOKUP. Correct? Formula came. I press the tab button. Then the lookup value, which for whom we want to search the record. We want to search a record for Dorle Aditya. Okay? We'll click here. जो वैल्यूज का सेल नंबर आ गया, देन कॉमा, टेबल अरे, सेम थिंग, जो टेबल था विल सिलेक्ट दैट होल टेबल, विल सेलेक्ट इट. ओके, द होल टेबल वी हैव selected. After that, what it want a column index. Now what is column index? See student, wherever your data is there, from that you will give the column name here. So this student name has column name 1, math has 2, science has 3, physics has 4 and chemistry has 5. You will not give the column number according to this column name A, B, C, D, E, F. Like F is on the 6th number, so column number is not 6. Column number कैसे देना है हमें? It will be from your table range. Student name is first now, so first column, second column, third column, fourth column and fifth column. Now we want a maths mark for whom? For this Dorle Aditya. Okay, so we will give 1 and 2. This is the second number column. What it want in VLOOKUP? Formula क्या दे रहा है? VLOOKUP ने column index number. So what is the index number? Comma, we will give a 2. Okay. After that, it is asking us for a range. So there, जैसे ही मैंने कॉमा प्रेस किया, उसने नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला जो है उसके मुझे वैल्यूज दिखाई है, एट्रीब्यूट्स दिखा है, ट्रू और फॉल्स. क्या देना है आपको? मीन्स इफ यू आर सर्चिंग अ रिकॉर्ड फॉर समबडी, सो whatever the result will come, it should be approximate match or exact match. If it is approximate match, it is a true and you will give the value as a 1. If it is a exact match, means false, you will give a value as a 0. So true के लिए value क्या है? 1 and false के लिए value is 0. Okay, you can put the words also, TRUE true or FALSE false. That is also okay. But Excel gives us two values. If true is 1, if false it is 0. अभी हमें exact match चाहिए. That's why I will put here 0. Okay, and press enter. What happened? It is giving a value 88 for this Dorle Aditya. We'll check it in our data, is correct or not. Where is Aditya? Here. See, for has a 88 marks. Okay. So what is difference between these two, lookup and VLOOKUP? लुकअप क्या कर रहा था, सिर्फ सिंगल एंटिटी के लिए वैल्यू निकाल रहा था. करेक्ट. Now we can calculate these values for this Godse Tejam as well as Joshi Kamal also. We'll drag the formula here. Correct. Now we'll check is it correct or not for Godse Tejam. See, where is Godse Tejam? Godse Tejam. How much marks he has? 89 in maths. Right? Here Godse Tejam 89 in maths. Joshi Kamal. Yes, Joshi Kamal has 77. Here 77. So we can copy the formula in VLOOKUP. Got it, student? Shall I repeat the formula? Can you listen me? Yes, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You should reply it. How I can get it? Yes. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, ये मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? फॉर्मूला समझ में आया सभी को? Either
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
yes or no. Everybody,
Yes, ma'am.
all 19 students got the formula.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do a 2 to 3 minutes practice on this. Create 5 minutes student data. सिर्फ 2 ही सब्जेक्ट ले लो, उसमें 5 स्टूडेंट ले लो और उसमें प्रैक्टिस करो. जब तक एक भी बार आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तब तक आपको VLOOKUP और उसके नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूले कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएंगे. Do the practice, please. I'll repeat the formula again. What is our formula? C is equal to VLOOKUP. Okay. In first, we will take data for Dorle Aditya, correct? So I will take this H7, then comma, then I will select the range of the table, correct? Then comma, then I'll give the column index number. So column index number always start 1, 2, 3 from wherever your data gets start, not depend on these column name. मेरा डेटा B कॉलम से स्टार्ट हुआ है तो B कॉलम इज माय फर्स्ट कॉलम, then C column is my second column. So I want to search a record for mass, that's why I put here index as a 2. Okay, comma 0. What is 0? It is a approximate match record. 1 is for, sorry, it is a fixed match record and 1 is for the approximate match record. Then I will put the enter key. Okay, so do practice, create some data, क्योंकि आगे के फॉर्मूले बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, आपको प्रैक्टिस के बिना समझ में नहीं आएगा. Create 5 student data, student.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, student? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, suppose instead of maths, if I want here marks of science. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just type here science. I don't want the maths mark. So what I will do here? I have formula here. Okay. So where we will make change? These things are same. Okay. This S7 is same. This range is same. Where it change only? I want the marks of science. So science is in column 3. Here I have given index 2. Correct? So I'll just change the index 3 and enter. As soon as I change the marks, I change the index, you will check it, the science marks has came. So Dorle Aditya will check it. Dorle Aditya has 63 marks in science, correct? So we just change the index number. Okay? I just remove the data from here. Now, next thing we are going to see that we look up from different sheet. Here the sheet is on the same sheet. ये जो marks say this data is on the same sheet where we are doing the calculations. If our data is in this sheet 4, this is next sheet, same data मैंने यहाँ copy किया. Then how to do the VLOOKUP? We'll see it with the formula. Is equal to VLOOKUP lookup value, okay, then comma. Now where is our data? Data is in sheet 4. So we'll go into the sheet 4. We will select the data. Okay. Then we will come into the sheet 1. We will press F4 key here. What? F4. So why we press the F4 key? F4 key gives you a fixed value, fixed key. Means nobody can change the data. Okay, so whatever the data into sheet 4, it should become same or it should be fixed. जैसे फिक्स नहीं किया तो जैसे ही हम शीट चेंज कर देते वैसे वहां शीट नंबर चेंज हो जाता है. Correct? So what we want here? Okay, that's why we press a F4 key here. Okay, after that what we want? We want to give a what? That column index. So where is a maths mark in index 2? Okay, so comma, you will give the index 2 comma 0, correct, and enter. Is it correct? Dorle Aditya in sheet 4 we will check. In sheet 4 Dorle Aditya has 88 marks in maths. Aage kya same? Yes, it's correct. So what we have done, I'll repeat it. I'll repeat the formula again. I'll remove from here. Is equal to VLOOKUP. Okay, lookup value is Aditya, comma, from where the data we want? We want the data from sheet 4, not from the same sheet. So in sheet 4 my data is there. I'll select the data. Okay, I'll select the data. I'll press F4 key. Okay, I press F4 key. Why? As soon as I press the F4 key, there is a dollar symbol. Have you seen in the formula also? There is a dollar symbol. Look the formula. Sheet 1, then exclamation mark is there. $B, $6, colon, $F, $3, 30. Why there is a dollar symbol? Because I have fixed the table using F4 key. If you will not fix the table, as soon as you change the sheet, your sheet number will change. मैंने क्या किया, वहां से जो भी वैल्यूज थी उसको फिक्स किया. अभी मैं कहाँ पे भी मूव हो जाऊं तो वो चेंज नहीं होगी. सो वेन एवर यू वांट द फिक्स वैल्यू, at that time press F4 key and dollar symbol will come. Okay, so comma is there. I will give a column index. जहाँ पे मैथ सब्जेक्ट है वो कॉलम 2 में है, that's why 2. And it is true or false. I want false, exact match, so I'll put the 0 and enter. Got this, student? So we look up from different sheet. Now we will see we look up from different workbook. This is my workbook. What is the name of my workbook here? MBA. Correct? Now I will open a new workbook. Suppose this is my new blank workbook. Book 2. Okay? I'll copy the data from this table. Okay? I'll copy it and paste into the new workbook. In workbook B2. Okay, so right now my data is in workbook 2, book 2. Okay, I'll come here again. Now I'll put the VLOOKUP formula is equal to VLOOKUP now I want the table from book 2. So I'll go into the book 2. I will select the table. Okay, I'll come in my workbook MBA. Now I'll press the F4 key. So I fix the value from the workbook book 2. Correct? Then comma, where it is in 2 index, column number 2, comma and 0 and enter. Correct? So I can get a maths marks of Aditya from book 2. Means even if your data is into the new workbook, you can look up that data. You can look up that data. Correct? So got it, student? We saw lookup, normal VLOOKUP, lookup from different sheet and lookup from different workbook. Now next we will see copying VLOOKUP formula. Correct? So we want to copy the VLOOKUP formula for different subject also. अभी हमने क्या किया था, सिर्फ एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए निकाला. वर्टिकली कॉपी करना इजी है, वर्टिकली कॉपी हो सकता है. Correct? But if you want to copy horizontally, it is not easy because horizontal values are different. Always we copy a formula vertical. Correct? Horizontal जैसे ही कॉपी करते columns change हो जाते. We are giving in this VLOOKUP formula the column index. Correct? So column index fix है यहाँ. That's why we can't copy the formula horizontally in VLOOKUP, because our column index is fixed. Now, what to do to copy this formula horizontally also? I'll show you one formula. So students, the formula for horizontal copying the formula is equal to VLOOKUP. So you will give the lookup value. Okay, we'll fix this also. We'll fix the lookup value also using F4. So F4 से क्या हुआ, lookup value भी fix हो गई first range. Okay, I'll put the comma. Then we will select the table. Okay, table vector or table array is there. We'll select it and again again it also get fixed. जैसे भी ड्रैग कर रही हूं, मुझे उसमें कुछ चेंजेस नहीं चाहिए. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है जब भी हम किसी अदर कॉलम पे या किसी रो पे क्लिक करते हैं तो इट गेट चेंज, द फॉर्मूला गेट चेंज. So if you don't want to change the formula, you fix this formula using F4 key. Okay, I'll put the comma. Now what we want here, we want here the column index, but now I want to drag the formula. What I want to drag the formula, so index must be changed. Every time index should be changed. That's why here one different formula I am going to use, that is column. That is columns. There is a columns formula in Excel. So if you will give a single columns formula in any cell, it will give you a column number. So we want that only. We want a column number only. But it should not be the fix. We want a dynamic value for column number. Correct? It should be changed. As soon as I drag the formula horizontally for the columns, the column number should change automatically. Okay, so right now what to write here, we will give these two only initial two values of column here and press F4 key. So fixed किया मैंने. So what I have fixed, listen carefully, what I have fixed, I have fixed see student, I press here F4, but both of these columns get locked, correct, get fixed. But I don't want that both of these columns get fixed. What I want that only the first value should be locked. Yes, I don't want to log the second value, means this maths value मुझे maths का जो column index है वो मुझे fix नहीं करना है, उससे मुझे increasing चाहिए. but first is fixed. Why? Because that value we have taken here already, student name. उसके लिए तो हम lookup कर रहे हैं. Okay, so this fixed value will not work here. I'll erase it here. What I want here, I want student name and maths, correct? But I want to log only this first value, not second value. I want to log B6, so I'll put my cursor here and press F4 key. इससे क्या हो रहा है स्टूडेंट, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? कॉलम 1 is fixed, but from column 2 our subjects are there and we want these should be increased, these index should be increased. That's why I have given this student name column B6, correct? Student name is in B6, that should be fixed, but after C6, C and 6 math subject, it should be increasing. सिर्फ इतना ही टफ है इसमें, बाकी सब इजी है. ये अगर आपको समझ में आया तो सब समझ में आया. ओके, I'll put the comma, sorry, bracket completed, comma. Now true or false, I'll put the 0 and enter. आ गया. So for Aditya, 88 marks for math subject. Okay, now I can drag this formula for science and physics also. पहले drag नहीं हो रहा था horizontally, now I can drag. See here, yes, for science also marks are coming and physics also marks are coming. So we use this, we look up for multiple values. It is called as a we look up for multiple values. Got this, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Student, got it? How to
Yes,
do
ma'am.
we look up for multiple values? Anybody please explain me what we have done? Yes?
Ma'am, first we took the VLOOKUP formula.
Huh?
Then we went to the column 1,
Hmm.
selected that, and F4 we fixed that formula.
Hmm.
Then comma columns formula,
Hmm.
and then only the first column we have the fixed it.
Yes, because this
Then
value is fixed, correct? Huh?
yes, only the first value,
Hmm.
and then bracket close, comma 0.
Yes, correct, correct. So got
We
the
have dragged
formula?
it. Yes.
Correct, correct. Student, do practice for this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll give you a 2 minutes. Do practice for it. Okay, done, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Any difficulty?
No. No, ma'am.
Now you want to drag the formula row wise also, vertical. If you will drag the same formula vertically, can it will work? See, suppose I select it and drag the formula. Work किया formula ने?
No, ma'am.
No. Same values, just copied. So what to do now? I want to drag for this Godse Tejam or this Kamal also, Kamal Joshi. So what to do? There is a slight change in the formula. See, this is our formula. Now, what we have fixed here? We have fixed column as well as rows also. Now, row wise अगर हमें drag करना है तो rows को fix रख के नहीं चलेगा. Rows को fix रखा है. That's why same values are coming row wise. So here in H7, H is column and 7 is row. So H, before H there is dollar. So column को हमें fix रखना है. But we don't want to fix the row here. Row different है, row change हो रही है हमारी. That's why I just delete the dollar from this 7 value, that is row value. Okay, क्या किया मैंने? सिर्फ रो को फिक्स नहीं किया है. I fixed only column. I remove the dollar symbol from row, before row, and now I'll press the enter. Okay, same formula I'll drag for the different science and physics also. Now if I'll drag the formula for all, what happens? See, आ रहे हैं सभी के मैथ्स और साइंस के मार्क्स?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Got it? What I have done? I'll repeat it. Repeat the formula. Formula is the same. Only I keep here rows and column. Fix. I remove the fix from rows. बिकॉज मुझे अभी रोज चाहिए. रोज फिक्स रख के फायदा नहीं. फिक्स रखा तो सेम वैल्यू आ रही, बट कॉलम शुड बी डिफरेंट. करेक्ट? कॉलम्स चेंज हो रहे, कॉलम्स के इंडेक्स. दैट्स व्हाई आई रिमूव द फिक्स सिंबल from the row only. Before 7 there is a dollar symbol and I remove it. Only this much simple it is. Got it? And then I again drag the formula for remaining subject. After that I drag this vertically. Okay, got it? So in MIS, whenever you will create a data using management information system in any company, you want to search many times this type of data. Small data, sale data may be there, product information may be there. Suppose there are 100 of products and every product has lots of information, and you want to search a particular products particular information, then you can use from any different sheet or any different workbook the particular record for your purpose using these VLOOKUP formulas. Got it? You apply a formula for single row and copy the formula for multiple rows. Okay, students? So VLOOKUP is somewhat difficult, but you have to do practice on this. Two parts are remaining, smallest value and largest value. We'll see it tomorrow, and the remaining part tomorrow. So student, do practice on this VLOOKUP. Any difficulties there, you can ask me right now. Yes?
No,
Should
ma'am.
I
Got
stop? Okay. Should I stop the session?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Good night, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.